In this video we are going to learn problem related with set. So you can see here we have a set question. If nu is equal to 76, np is equal to 44, nq is equal to 34 and p intersection q is equal to 10, we have to find out the following. Four questions are here. We have to find out p union q complement, p minus q and q minus p. Let's take a start. Solution. First of all, what are the information is given, we have to write down here. Nu is equal to 76 and after this np is equal to 44. Similarly nq is equal to 34. Similarly np intersection q is given 10. All the information is whatever is given here, let's write down here. Now in number one, what we have to find out? We have to find out n p union q. What is the formula of p union q? We have to use formula, and the formula is np plus nq minus np intersection q. Now what is the value of np? Np you can say 44, so we can write here 44 plus what is the value of nq? Nq you can see here 34, so let's write on here 34 minus p intersection q. P intersection q is 10, so let's write on here 10. And when you calculate, how much we get here? 78 minus 10, we get here 68. Hope you understand this one. Now look at two number. We have to find out p union q complement in number 2. To find out n p union q complement, what formula we have to use? Nu minus n p union q. We have a formula. If you don't know formula, please visit on my playlist of formula and you will get each and every formula of every exercise. Nu is equal to how much we have? 67, so write 76, so write on 76 minus p union q is equal to 68, and when you subtract this we get here 8. Yeah, so p union q is equal to 8. After this what we have to find out? P minus q, similarly q minus p. In number 3 we have to find out, in number 3 n p minus q, and the formula is np minus n p intersection q. Np, what is the value of np? Np is equal to 44 and p intersection q is equal to 10, so we have to write here 44 minus 10 and we get here 34. Similarly in same process we have to find out n q minus p. What is the formula? If here is q, then we have to write down q and we have to subtract intersection and p intersection q. So what here? nq is equal to we have a value 34, so we have to write here 34 minus 10. Intersection means 10. When you subtract this we get here 24, so which is answer. Hope you understand this problem related with set. If you understand, please hit the like button.